everyone, today I am going to explain you about Prague Castle. According to the Guinness Book of World Record, Prague Castle is the largest coherent castle complex in the world with an area of almost 70,000 meters square. Prague Castle is a complex in Prague, Czech Republic, built in the 9th century. It is the official office of the President of Czech Republic. The castle was a seat of power for kings of Bohemia, Holy Roman Emperors and presidents of Czechoslovakia. A brief history of Prague Castle on the basis of archaeological research and the oldest written sources. It is thought that Prague Castle was founded around the year 880 by Prince Bořivoj of the House of Přemyslides. A holy place. It should not come as no surprise that Prague Castle is also a holy place. The famous St. Vitus Cathedral hosts the most beautiful church treasury in the country. Famous tourist attraction. More than 1.8 million tourists visit Prague Castle every year. The Prague Castle complex, only one and the most famous of the many Czech castles scattered around the land of Bohemia. Significance. Today, Prague Castle, besides being the seat of the head of state, is also an important cultural and historical monument. The crown jewels are kept at Prague Castle, as are the relics of Bohemian kings. Precious Christian relics, art treasures and historical documents.